How older men can tell if a younger woman is into them. Hey there, it's Anna. Ever find yourself as an older gentleman pondering the thoughts of a younger woman? Do those lingering glances mean something, or is it all in your head? Today we're navigating the subtle world of age gap attractions. We'll shed light on the telltale signs that indicate her genuine interest and dispel some of the misconceptions along the way. And by the end of this video, you will be equipped with the knowledge to confidently decipher her signals. Ready to bridge the age gap with understanding? Let's dive into the nuances and decode the mystery together. Eagerness to communicate. In the age of fleeting attention spans and quick chats, it's telling when a younger woman consistently reaches out to an older man. If she frequently initiates texts or calls, it indicates she values the maturity and depth of conversation she can have with you, something she might not experience with her peers. The topics may vary from casual check-ins, seeking your experienced perspective on matters, or simply sharing moments of her day. This dedication to maintaining a line of communication suggests she appreciates the stability and wisdom that comes with age. Active listening. It's not uncommon for younger individuals to get caught up in their world, given the fast-paced nature of their lives. However, if you find her genuinely engaged in your conversations, it's a telling sign. She might ask follow-up questions related to your stories, drawing from your wealth of experiences, or she might reference past conversations, proving that she values and remembers you shared discussions. This attentiveness signals that she sees beyond the age and deeply values the person you are. Lingering glances. While the age difference might be noticeable to outsiders, the connection between two people transcends years. One of the most telling signs is her eye contact. If she frequently maintains prolonged, lingering eye contact, it can hint at a deeper, more profound interest. Those moments when the world seems to fade and it's just the two of you convey feelings and attractions that transcend age. Body language. The way she presents herself to you can unveil her genuine feelings. If she leans in during your conversations, it suggests she's keenly interested in your words, perhaps finding solace in your seasoned views. Mirroring gestures such as adjusting her posture to match yours indicates a subconscious connection. Furthermore, if she often touches her face or plays with her hair around you, these can be signs of attraction. These actions, subtle as they might be, can signify that she's comfortable around you, looking beyond the age gap and genuinely drawn to who you are. Finding reasons to meet. In the early stages of mutual attraction, people find ways to be around those they are interested in. If a younger woman is frequently and casually suggesting coffee dates, taking strolls, or finding other reasons to spend time together, it's a clear indicator. This isn't just about her wanting company, it's about her specifically wanting your company. The age difference might mean varied interests, but her making the effort to bridge that gap by initiating meetings can show a keen interest in building a bond with an older man like you. Experience adoration. Age brings with it wisdom and presence, and if she frequently compliments your experience, the maturity in your perspectives, or admires the stability that you bring to conversations, it's a sign she sees and values the depth age has given you. Now, younger women who are drawn to older men often seek the calm and understanding that they bring. Her admiration is an acknowledgement of those qualities in you. Interest in your past. Now, everyone loves a good story, but when she consistently shows curiosity about your younger days, your triumphs, the lessons you learned, and even your misadventures, it's more than just casual interest. This curiosity might come from a desire to understand the journey that shaped you. For older men, this can be touching because it indicates that she's trying to know the man behind the years, acknowledging the wealth of experiences and life lessons. Teasers and playful banter. Now, we all know that playful teasing can be a sign of affection. If she often jokes about the age difference or uses it as a light-hearted tease, it's a good sign of her comfort and closeness with you. This playful banter helps bridge the generational gap and indicates a level of intimacy where age becomes just another number. Social media interaction. Now, in today's digital age, how you actually interact online can be a clear indicator of interest, especially when considering relationships with a significant age gap. If a younger woman is regularly engaging with your posts, liking or commenting, it's a sign she wants to be a part of your digital life. Further, if she often shares content that she thinks would resonate with you or directly sends you links to interesting articles or memes, it's a way of saying, I thought of you. Now, for older men who might not be as plugged into the online world as younger generations, this effort from her end to bridge the digital divide can be a heartwarming signal of genuine interest. Introduces you to her circle. Now, relationships don't exist in isolation, right? When a younger woman starts introducing an older man to her group of friends or expresses an interest in meeting his friends or family, it's a significant step. It's her way of blending her world with yours. Given the age difference, she's also indirectly communicating that she's proud and confident to have you by her side, regardless of societal judgments. For older men, this can be a reaffirming gesture of the authenticity of her feelings. Seeks your advice. Life experience is one of the many things that older men bring to the table. When she actively seeks out your advice on everything from career moves to personal dilemmas, it's not just about seeking guidance. It shows she values your wisdom, trusts your judgment, and respects the years that grant you a broader perspective. For older men, this trust can be a touching affirmation of the unique bond that can exist between an older man and a younger woman. Shares personal stories. There's always a vulnerability in sharing personal stories, dreams, aspirations, or even fears. When she begins to open up about these things, she's letting you into her inner world. For a younger woman to share these intimate details with an older man indicates a level of comfort and safety she feels with him. It's her way of forging a deeper connection, looking beyond the age gap and into the shared human experiences and emotions. Enthusiasm about shared interests. The allure of age gap relationships often lies in the fusion of old world charm with new age figure. Now, when a younger woman expresses genuine excitement over discovering shared hobbies or activities, it's more than just the joy of mutual interests. It's her way of finding common ground with an older man, of bridging the generational gap. Her enthusiasm to delve into these activities together, be it dancing to an old tune or exploring a modern art exhibit, is her way of saying, we're not so different, you and I. Subtle touches. Physical interactions are always a telling sign of interest. However, in the dynamics between an older man and a younger woman, they take on a nuanced layer. The occasional touch on the arm during a hearty laugh, or a comforting pat on the back, or playful shoves when you share a joke. These are all indication of her physical comfort around you. They signal her attraction and hint that she sees beyond the age, she sees the man. Probing questions. The art of conversation reveals a lot. If she frequently is steering the dialogue towards topics like your relationship status, inquiring about past relationships, or candidly asking your thoughts on age gap relationships, she's trying to gauge where she stands. For older men, these questions can sometimes be a trip down memory lane or an opportunity to articulate views on modern love. Still, they should recognize them for what they are, a younger woman's attempt to understand the romantic potential. Dropping hints. The thrill of the chase is ageless. When she drops casual mentions of that new cafe that she'd love to visit, a movie she's been eager to watch, or a concert she would like to attend, she's not just sharing her plans, she's hoping the older man she's interested in will pick up on those hints and make a move, extending an invite. It's a delicate dance of expressing interest without overtly saying it, a subtle game of romantic cat and mouse that transcends age. Comfort in vulnerability. The dynamics of age gap relationships often mean that the younger partner looks up to the older one, not just for experience, but also for emotional stability. When a younger woman begins to open up, sharing personal challenges, insecurities, or moments of self-doubt, it's not just casual conversations, it's an indication of her trust. She views the older man as a safe space, someone she can confide in without judgment. This level of vulnerability showcases a deepening connection and her comfort to exposing her authentic self to him. Discussing age difference. Addressing the elephant in the room can be both daunting and revealing. When a younger woman takes the initiative to bring up the age difference, not as a mere observation but as a topic of genuine discussion, it's significant. By expressing her feelings, seeking the older man's perspective, and delving deep into the dynamics of what a potential relationship might look like, she's taken a leap. Now, this proactive approach indicates she's given serious thought to the future and wants to understand and navigate any challenges together. Now that you've uncovered the signs of a younger person's interest, why not step up the game with how to flirt with a younger woman, or spot the signs that she's waiting for you to make a move? Which adventure calls out to you? And before you go, give this a thumbs up, drop your thoughts below, and subscribe for more.